Hey there traders, welcome back to the StockBandit.tv. This is episode 12, and I'm sure glad that you joined me for it. So today's Thursday, and we all know what comes after Thursday. Of course, it's Friday. So many traders that I know who are part-time traders often have the opportunity to work at home on Friday, or maybe they take the day off on Friday, and so it leaves them available to making more trades. But that doesn't mean that they need to be active, and so availability does not mean activity. You know, just because you're off work and you want to trade, or you've kind of been itching to do so, doesn't mean that you need to go do so tomorrow on Friday. Really, that mentality is one that can get you quickly into some trouble, and it can lead to results that really, quite frankly, can leave you wishing you had actually gone to work to make money rather than sit home and force trades, which may cost you money. And so really, all I want to say here in this video is don't force anything, especially tomorrow on Friday. Of course, in this market environment, the trading range is very much in full effect. We remain in this range, and really, if you count the number of times that we've actually closed outside of the range since early November, you're only going to get about 6 closes outside of the range during this entire period of time. Right now, there is no serious momentum. We just completed a pretty good decline, but in the last 2 weeks, it's been very choppy and very messy here, and so there is no momentum here, and the trading range is very much in full effect. The upside that we saw on Wednesday, that enthusiasm was completely erased. Today, we came back down and filled that gap, and so there really is no direction to be leaning here. We remain stuck in the middle of this range, and until we can get up above the upper end or down underneath it and come back down and possibly test these November lows, anything can happen in the very near term. And so this is a real simple concept, but it's not an easy one to follow, and it really just requires discipline on your part. So the next time that you face those opportunities to trade instead of working your day job, stay disciplined, stick with the setups that you know and that you like to trade, and the ones that prove fruitful for your trading account, and don't trade unless you see them. If you see them, then by all means hit them, but if you don't, then be patient enough to sit on your hands, preserve capital, because some of these days that's just the very best course of action. So thanks for joining me for this episode. There'll be more videos soon, but until then, trade like a bandit.